New at $6 billion in funding for the state schools and city governments could be made available if California voters approve Proposition 15. One measure on the November ballot that's drawing a lot of attention. As News Channel 3's Tom Tucker reports, educators say schools need the money, while business groups say the measure will injure an already struggling California economy.
If voters approve Proposition 15 in November, the state analyst says it will generate $8 to $12.5 billion in new tax revenues for the state, with 60% of the money going to local governments and 40% going to schools, including K through 12 and community colleges. California teachers unions are among the supporters.
Look, if we don't pass this initiative, we are looking at thousands of layoffs coming our way.
The tax increases in the measure target commercial buildings in the state and industrial properties. Prop 15 would amend the state constitution to require the buildings to be taxed at their current market value, rather than the value when the building was purchased. Exemptions would apply to property owners whose total holdings in the state are $3 million or less.
What Prop 15 will do is undo years and decades now of disinvestments in schools and communities.
Taxes on residential properties, according to the text of the proposition, would continue to be based on the purchase price. That's as a result of Proposition 13, passed by California voters in 1978. Among the business groups opposed to Proposition 15 are the California Chamber of Commerce and the Howard Jarvis Taxpayers Association. They say the impact of 15 would be devastating to the state economy. John Kupal with the Jarvis organization says higher taxes will bring higher costs for commercial property owners, which will be passed on to business tenants, which will be passed on to their customers.
Why would we want to increase the cost of living in the Golden State as people are continuing to move out of the state?
If approved, the commercial property tax increase under 15 would be phased in beginning in the year 2022. In Palm Desert, Tom Tucker, News Channel 3.